Hello, this is the Valencia region, a wonderful place to see in Spain. And this is Silk Valencia, our value-added offer for the UNESCO Silk Road program. The city of Valencia was founded by the Romans over an Iberian settlement in 138 BC, strongly influenced by Phoenicians and Greeks, and conquered by the Arabs around 714 to the 13th century. Today, it is a prime tourist destination and trade center on the eastern Mediterranean shore. It's a dynamic community, warm and inviting, and open to abroad. Spain has been a leading tourist destination since the 1960s. The National Tourism Board, Tour España, has an extensive network of tourist offices across the world to support and promote the tourist products being offered along the Silk Road. The Valencia region is a leader in tourist know-how, technology and innovation, thanks to institutes like IVAT Tour, which places the latest tools and technology at the service of the tourist trade. By applying smart tourism techniques to the Silk Road, Valencia will generate high-value, experiential tourist products on the national and international levels. Smart tourist destinations, the use of new technologies, and the exchange of know-how among Silk Road members will generate high-value tourist experiences and contents throughout the entire trip of tourists visiting us. The Mediterranean landscape of Valencia has been strongly influenced by human settlement over the centuries. It is a perfect symbiosis of natural resources and culture. Major monuments inherited from a splendid history now form the structure of the old city center, especially the neighborhood known as Velluters, the silk makers district, which grew up in the Middle Ages to provide services for the silk industry. The 15th century Gothic silk exchange building, the House of the Silk Traders, was listed as UNESCO World Heritage in 1996. The College of the Higher Art of Silk Making was the center of the industry, conserving knowledge of the trade from its founding in the 15th century. This building is now being rehabilitated with private funding. Both Valencia and its hinterland have archaeological traces of industries related to silk making. As a result of all this, Valencia is proud of its silk tradition, and the use of silk still survives in present-day cultural manifestations, such as the traditional costumes used in festivities held all over the Valencia region. Valencia has a strong commitment to the UNESCO Silk Road, developing and implementing programs that will increase tourist attraction and justify its inclusion as a Silk Road member, a business opportunity and a growth opportunity for the road itself. Silk Valencia is a crossover project, inclusive and modular. It includes a mega fair for business, a large exhibition on silk, multitask tourist projects, and in addition the constitution of the International Institute for Silk Studies. Valencia is the bridgehead for the Silk Road to Latin America. We are very proud to be heading the incorporation of Spain as the 32nd country of the Silk Road, and we are very grateful for this opportunity to have our project included. Thank you very much for your attention. See you in Valencia.